Before I start to sing, I must say this is a tribute to Bishop Patrick for his short but, I would have to say, very memorable and very impactful time with us. I hope that you could for sure visit again and that we could at least hear of your endeavors, and we thank you again. We thank you. As the deer pants for the water, so my soul longs after you. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. You, my friend, and you are my brother, even though you are a king, and I love you more than any other, so much more than anything. And you alone are my strength, alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. And you alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. And you alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you, and I long to worship you.